Hey crypto warriors, welcome back to my channel. Now let's talk about airdrops. Let's start the show. Alright, well, everyone loves airdrops. Free money, as I call it. With the bull market already in full swing, we are seeing a lot of action in this arena already, and though I'm not really jumping into every airdrop opportunity out there, I will share with you one that caught my attention as I recently jumped into Celestia, and I allocated a sizable position to my medium-term portfolio, so I will not be selling anytime soon. I will hold that position until the market top, most likely next year. So while these will be sitting in my wallet for some time, it makes sense to put them to use and earn some passive income on them. So if you're also a holder of Celestia or plan on getting some for the medium term, here's how you can capitalize on your stash and earn even more money along the way. The Celestia token, TIA, is one of the most talked about tokens recently. It had a stunning rally over the past month. It's up 71% or 72% in fact on the monthly, 18% just today. And maybe you received your TIA tokens as an airdrop or bought them from an exchange, so now you can take your TIA and stake it to start qualifying for airdrops. The most popular one being the milkTia airdrop. This is rumored to be the JITO of Celestia. Of course, this is not an official statement, but if the rumor has any validity, JITO was a massive airdrop of the JITO network, a Solana-based liquid staking protocol. The airdrop started on December 7th last year and distributed 90 million JITO tokens to users based on their staking activity and other participation in the ecosystem. It was a big airdrop with 90 million tokens dropped to just 9,852 wallet addresses. That amounts to between $9,000 and up to $208,000 per wallet of an airdrop. Yes, it was a massive airdrop for many. So this is why the comparison is something that shouldn't be ignored. And again, I'm not saying that you should expect a $10,000 airdrop, but the potential is there, and this is really what people are talking about on Twitter. So I have to go by what the community is talking about. Usually when there's rumors, it's very likely that at least some of it will be true. So I'm staking some TIA in this protocol, and I will show you how the process goes in case you want to do the same. milkTia TIA staking is a liquid staking protocol for Celestia's TIA tokens within the Cosmos ecosystem. What does that mean? Liquid staking enables users to stake their native tokens without the need to lock them up for a specific period of time. This is accomplished by providing users with a liquid token in exchange for their staked tokens. The liquid token can then be used in various DeFi applications, including lending and borrowing. When users want to withdraw their tokens instantly, they can do so by swapping the liquid token for the native token on a decentralized exchange, for instance. What are the benefits of liquid staking? Well, of course, liquidity and flexibility. Liquid staking allows token holders to earn rewards and to participate in network security while retaining the flexibility to trade or to use their staked assets at any time, eliminating the need to choose between staking for APR and participating in DeFi activities. Also, there is improved network security. Liquid staking encourages more token holders to stake their assets, enhancing overall blockchain network security. And there's capital efficiency. Liquid staking is a more capital efficient solution for blockchain projects and DeFi applications, as they don't need to compete with the native staking yield. So staking TIA on milkTia allows users to receive milkTia, which is the liquid staked version of TIA. There is an airdrop that is expected to be distributed to those who have staked TIA on milkTia, but we are yet to find more details about this possible date. As usual, these don't get announced until later, closer to the actual event. For now, if you are a holder of TIA, the token of Celestia, it would make sense to give this a chance. I hold a lot of TIA, so I would delegate a small amount in order to qualify. A small amount is enough. It's not about the size of your stake, it's about the fact that you interacted with the protocol. This is how most airdrops work. Not all of them actually, some of them require you a certain amount, but a lot of them don't really require you a fixed amount. It's just an incentive so that you can actually interact with the protocol. It's a reward for being an early adopter of the project and their token. So this is how the staking works. I'm going to show you now. Let me switch to the other screen. Okay, let's start the process. This is the website. I'm going to have the link in the description below so that you can grab it from there. It's not a referral link, by the way. I'm not really making money from this. I'm sharing this because I feel that it could be beneficial to you guys. All right. So I'm going to be staking TIA, and I will be getting milkTia. Okay, which has an APR of 14%. I'm not really doing it for the annual return here because, you know, 14%. Right now we're making 20-30% per day from trading on these tokens. So it's not really about the staking. It's about qualifying for the airdrop. It's all about just participating, interacting with this protocol. Let's first connect the wallet. I already connected my Leap wallet and I staked some TIA from my Leap wallet. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use my Kepler wallet. I haven't staked any of my TIA from here. I will not be using this big amount. I already said I will be using a smaller amount. In this case, I will actually use 10 TIA tokens, and I'm gonna put 10.5, or actually no, I'm going to put 10.1, and in that case I will receive 10 milkTia tokens. So I just want to have a round number. That's why, due to the exchange rate, I'm receiving slightly less milkTia than the TIA that I'm actually going to stake. So this will be 10 milkTia. Let's go for it. I need to confirm, and my transaction fee is 8 cents to the dollar. Let's approve that. And now it's going to take some time. When I did it with my Leap wallet, it actually took about 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes. So it's not an immediate process. Let's see how long it's going to take this time. I'm going to time it. Okay, and it's done. So 5 minutes, yet again. It takes about 5 minutes, guys. Here you can actually click and check the transaction just to make sure that you've got the details and everything in case you cannot find it in your wallet or something like that. I mean, now when I go in my wallet, I should see the token already, but sometimes it might take a while before you see there is one new token. Let's add Osmosis chain, because this is actually a token on Osmosis. There we go. milkTia, 10 tokens. It is on Osmosis chain, even though we're interacting with Celestia. So once you get this milkTia token, you can actually, in case you want to unstake it, you can do that, and you can do that immediately. You can withdraw. If you don't want to pay a fee, like with all Cosmos-based tokens, you have to wait for 21 to 24 days. But if you want to withdraw it immediately, there is a way. You will just have to pay a small fee. Or you can also choose to exchange it swap it for a different token on a DEX. But I'm not really going to be doing that. I want to qualify for the potential airdrops, so I'm going to keep it here. Okay, so as we go here, you can see milkTia, 10 tokens. And if I go back to stake here, the main page, I will see the 10 milkTia tokens here as well. And make sure that you bookmark this page so that you can access it quickly when you need to, to check the progress on your staked tokens and everything. So everything that you visit, every website that you visit and you will need it in the future, make sure you bookmark it so that you don't have to do Google search. This way you will avoid any potential phishing websites, okay? So this is the process. It's very simple, just a couple of clicks. All right, well, this is how it works. Now, after you've got your milkTia tokens, you can come here to the Discover page, and you can see what other opportunities are out there. If you want to become a liquidity provider to earn some extra yield and stuff, you can go here. Let me accept the terms. So here you can actually deposit some of this milkTia that you've got if you want to put it to use, to further use. I'm not really going to be doing that right now, maybe later. For the time being, I'm just going to sleep on it, and I will see what other opportunities will come about, because this is the first one, but I'm pretty sure there will be more. Also, I used two different wallets, Kepler and Leap. Both are available as browser extensions, which is very easy. You will find the links in the description below, but also when you go to the airdrop page, you will see the links to this, so you can get these wallets in just a couple of clicks. And last few words about this milkTia and why I like this project. Well, it can be used for DEX liquidity first, of course. There will be a TIA and milkTia pools on Osmosis to facilitate liquid staking. Also lending. It can be used as collateral in lending protocols such as Mars Protocol and Yumi. There are staking derivatives such as stakers baskets and leverage staking positions. Perpetual trading. You can trade perpetuals on platforms such as Livana and DYDX. Chains and applications developed on Celestia will use TIA to access Celestia's data availability, so there's a lot of utility coming up soon. Make sure to follow their socials as well, so you can keep up to date with the new releases and upcoming launches, and good luck with the future airdrops. If I find another one worthy of your time and effort, I will bring it to your attention, so make sure that you're following me, whether here on YouTube, on X. This is where I usually post updates and things that I'm currently looking into and currently jumping into. So that's all for today's episode. I hope this helps, and if it does, share it with a friend who will also benefit from watching it, and leave a like or a comment or both. And also make sure to check out the links in the description, where I drop the links to other crypto services that I'm using and that I recommend to you, including my free ebooks and the link to my crypto newsletter, which I'm posting twice a month. I'm not really spamming you with my newsletters. I don't really want to be posting, to be sending you an email every day or anything like that, which many marketers do. This is just twice a month. I'm posting analysis and other insights that I have, crypto insights that don't really make it here on my YouTube channel or in my video episodes. So definitely jump onto my email list as well and get my crypto newsletter. Only twice a month. You can also scan the QR code that you're seeing here. So this is everything from me. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. That means that you like the content, and if you do, also let me know in the comments below, or if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will be checking this. That's it. I need to go now. I'm gonna see you in the next one.